Well, here at home, a status yellow heat warning has been issued for Leinster and County Tipperary, with Met Éireann forecasting temperatures as high as 29 degrees tomorrow. The forecaster has warned of potential water safety issues. Well, our Midwest correspondent Petula Martin is standing by now in Tipperary. And Petula, it's looking great where you are in Ballina, but can you tell us what we can expect in terms of the weather there over the coming days?
Yes, Tommy, it's a lovely summer's evening here on the banks of Lough Derg in Ballina in County Tipperary. And temperatures are expected to rise here from 6 a.m. tomorrow, not just here in Tipperary, but across all counties in Leinster. Met Éireann says those high temperatures are down to high pressure that's coming up from the Azores. Now, people are being urged to stay vigilant when around water. Today, there was lots of activity here in Lough Derg with people out boating and out fishing, and that's expected again tomorrow. It's also expected along the eastern coastline when people head to the beaches to stay cool during the warm weather. People are also advised as well to keep pets and other animals well hydrated. And at night time, temperatures are not expected to fall below 15 degrees, which will make for pretty uncomfortable sleeping conditions at night. Now, earlier we spoke to Jerry Murphy from Met Éireann to find out what to expect from the weather in the coming days.
Well, it's going to be very warm right across the country for Wednesday and Thursday. But temperatures in the 20s everywhere. But the hottest conditions will be in Leinster and parts of East Munster as well, County Tipperary, where we have a yellow level high temperature warning in operation. Now, in detail, what that basically means is temperatures getting up to 27, 28 degrees in parts of Leinster, and the nights will be very warm as well. So temperatures at night between about 16 and 18 degrees, which may be uncomfortable for some.
Now, Tommy, Met Éireann has also said that the hose pipe ban, which remains in place until the 26th of August, might be extended beyond that. The water utility company said that all options are being kept under review at the moment. But for now, the heat warning remains in place until 6 a.m. on Friday. So it'll be warm tomorrow, Wednesday, and again on Thursday. And seasonal temperatures will return to normal from Friday morning. Tommy.
Very good. Petula Martin in a sunny Tipperary. Thanks indeed.